The current Vietnamese economy is going through a phase of promising growth, though it also faces various challenges. Below are some key highlights regarding the economic situation in Vietnam. 1. Stable economic growth. GDP growth rate. In recent years, Vietnam has maintained a GDP growth rate of 6 to 7% prior to the pandemic. However, due to the impact of COVID-19, the economy slowed down but is gradually recovering. In 2023, the growth rate is estimated to be around 5 to 6%, driven by the reopening of the economy and government support measures. Main drivers of growth: exports, foreign direct investment, FDI, and domestic consumption are the three main pillars of economic development. Vietnam is now one of the major production hubs, especially in the fields of technology and textiles. 2. Exports and foreign direct investment, FDI, exports. Vietnam has become one of the leading exporters in Southeast Asia, with key products such as electronics, computers, textiles, and agricultural products. Exports help sustain a trade surplus, though there have been fluctuations in recent years due to global trade tensions, FDI. Vietnam is an attractive destination for foreign investors thanks to competitive labor costs, a favorable geographical location, and open investment policies. Major corporations such as Samsung, Intel, and LG have made significant investments in Vietnam. However, regional competition, particularly with countries like Thailand and Indonesia, is intensifying. 3. Inflation and fiscal policy. Inflation in Vietnam is currently maintained at under 4%, lower than in many countries in the region. The government and the State Bank of Vietnam are working to control prices, particularly amidst the sharp global fluctuations in energy and food prices. Fiscal policy. The government has implemented various economic support packages, tax reductions, and public investment to promote post-pandemic growth. However, budget deficits and public debt remain long-term challenges. 4. Digital transformation and technological development. Vietnam is vigorously promoting digital transformation with the ambition to become one of the leading countries in the region for information technology. The government has introduced numerous policies to support tech startups, fostering new industries such as artificial intelligence, AI, blockchain, and fintech. 5. Challenges and risks. Global volatility. Trade tensions between major economies such as the US and China, coupled with economic instability in markets like Europe, could impact Vietnam. Labor structure. Although Vietnam has a young workforce, the country faces challenges in terms of labor quality, especially in high-tech industries and the fourth industrial revolution. Improving skills and education are essential to maintaining competitiveness. Conclusion. Vietnam's current economy is on the path to recovery and growth, with many opportunities but also numerous challenges. Maximizing the advantages of exports, foreign investment, improving labor quality, and accelerating digital transformation will be crucial factors for Vietnam to reach new heights in the coming years.